thanks so much for coming back. It's so good to see you. Today, we're going to be opening up July's Play by Sephora. This subscription runs $10 a month. It is plus tax, so I end up paying about $10.70. Usually includes 6 sample sizes. So let's open it up and see what I got. Hashtag Sephora Play. You usually get 50 beauty insider points anytime you get a box. The theme, Isle of Beauty. And that's like a huge, what is this, a game board? Is it a game board? Let's start here. What ensures your pores are cleared and there's no dirt to be feared? I'm assuming the clue is in the bag. And the bag this month is so green. So that is cool. That's a very festive green. Ready, set, play. Greek yogurt foaming cream cleanser. There is a safety seal. Come on, cleanser, come on out. So that's what it looks like. It smells like a moisturizer. It has like a similar base, I'm assuming. So I used the Korres Cleanser and it's okay. It works like a cleanser. It kind of dried out my face. It's a little bit overpowering while you're using it. It's a mixture of Greek yogurt, honeysuckle, and amaranth seed extract. So Sephora doesn't include prices in their box. I'm pretty sure it's because they want you to go to their website. But I did look it up for you. Full size of this, if you're interested in getting it, is $26. I'm a little baffled by this one. Isle of Paradise. And this is self-tanning drops. Color correcting self-tanning drops for the face and body. I don't tan. Like, I don't know what to tell you. I don't tan. This is bizarre. Why would they include this in my box? The nerve to say exclusively chosen for your skin tone. Sephora, you're a jerk. Alright, so I have a little bit of a moisturizer and I am going to try adding a few drops of this Isle of Paradise. I don't know what that smell is. And it says 2 to 12. You sent it to me. It is mine. I paid for it. Might as well. And survey says, do I feel darker? No. And the nerve to say it was specifically chosen for my skin tone. But if you want to get this, this runs $29. Next item we have is from Becca. It's a shimmering skin perfector pressed highlighter. So let's open this up. Oh no! What in the world? Me? Look at it! It's all broken up. Oh, this is so disappointing. Gonna have to reach out to Sephora about that. Ooh, there it is. There's that highlighter. It's in Champagne Pop, but it looks like a kind of pinkish color. I love how it said pressed pigment, broken pigment. Oh my word. Okay, I think I need to be concentrating on what I'm supposed to be doing. Whoa, much too much, too much. Oh! It looks like I'm wearing a mask of highlight. Well, Becca definitely shows up. Broken, but she shows up. Full size of this runs $22. Dolce&Gabbana, and it's a perfume in light blue, or it's called light blue. That's the inside of it. That's what it really looks like, not the little tester. It's supposed to smell like dipping your toes into the Mediterranean, so that's going to be interesting. But it does smell quite lovely though. Oh, I could see myself using this for sure. The fragrance family is fresh, Granny Smith apple, bamboo and white rose, cedar wood and musk. So there are different sizes of this. The regular size though runs $102. So this is not a cheap one. You can get a roller ball for $29. How is a value size $134? Get the hell out of here. In which world, Sephora? Yeah, the roller ball is the cheapest one for $29. It smells really good. I wish I could like have you smell it. It's like a really good scent. Lancome by Vassal Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. Supposed to shake it to activate it. Soak a cotton pad. Alright, hold for a few seconds. Oh wow, I feel like a criminal. And then wipe. You shouldn't have to pull or drag. Yeah, it does a good job. And standard size of this runs $30. Kiehl's since 1851. And it's a ginger leaf and hibiscus firming mask. You wake up with visibly firmer, smoother skin. That's what it looks like. So it's a little pinkish hue, peach color maybe. It doesn't smell bad. It's a nice smell. It's relaxing, so it's not going to be obnoxious where you smell it all through the night and like you're completely miserable. It's really sticky, so you definitely have to wash your hands when you're done. There is definitely a really slight tingle around my mouth area. I don't know what that's about. There isn't any tightness, so I'm not really sure where the firmness comes from. I can barely feel it. Like, I know it's there, but it just dries down. So I guess I'll have to wake up and see in the morning how much firmer and smoother my face feels. But that was it. That was everything in my Sephora box. So have a good night. Bye.